Hey guys, welcome back to another video on Scylla Stuff and Things. So today I am doing a grocery haul. I posted a picture on Instagram, which if you're not following, go ahead and head over and follow me there. I asked you guys, what do you want to see from me? And this is what you wanted to see. So here we go. Okay, thank you. Good, how are you? So this might not look like one of my normal grocery hauls because Isaiah was supposed to leave this week, go back to college. He's home now. They're gonna extend his stay for a little while. He's got people coming to visit in the town. So there's like a lot of things. Some of the people coming to visit are a little picky. We're not gonna name them, but they're picky eaters. So I had to buy things that maybe I wouldn't normally buy. But I made a menu for the week. I'm super excited. I don't know, comment down below, let me know. Are you a menu planner, meal planner? I'm not all the time, but when I do, I'm very successful with it. We eat better, we make better choices, so let me know how you guys handle that. This is gonna be a super quick video, but I have to highlight a few of the items. You guys have been requesting Sloppy Joe, my Sloppy Joe recipe. That's what this ground beef is for. We also need hamburger rolls and some bell pepper for that, ketchup, Sloppy Joe stuff. You will notice I have Publix chicken wings. That's where we do all of our grocery shopping. And sometimes when I'm grocery shopping that day, that's what we're gonna have for dinner that night. So that's what we're doing tonight. I have to get my sweet peppers for my girl. Abigail loves to eat these, but they're also great for salads. So we like to cut those up and put them in salads. Tortillas, guys, this is the most versatile ingredient in my kitchen. I can make breakfast burritos. I can make quesadillas. That's a super fast lunch or something like that for you guys. Lunch meat and cheese, that's a huge thing in our house. Everybody loves it. Of course, you want to have fruit options because you need to be healthy. Chicken breast, this buffalo style chicken dip, I make my own, but sometimes if I know I'm not going to have time, I will grab that, and it goes great with pork rinds. So if you're keto, low carb, anything like that, great option for you. I'm also going to be making some things in the air fryer this week. So I'm super excited about that. We're going to do jalapeno poppers, fried pickles. Guys, I'm gonna make zucchini fries. That's gonna be fun. I'm also cutting up some cucumber and making little chips with it with the seasoning, the all bagel seasoning. I'm gonna try it out and then dip it in ranch. I think that'll be fun. I have college kids. They love Kraft macaroni and cheese. I make macaroni and cheese from scratch, but if 2 o'clock in the morning rolls around and they want a snack, that's what they're gonna go for. Of course, we have our milk, heavy whipping cream, half and half, apple cider. You can't get that all the time here, and I was super excited to see that. Another video that Asa and I are gonna do together is some cocktails, and we make a really good cocktail with this. So make sure you are tuned in for that. Let's get to the good stuff though. Chips, they're always a go-to. We always have Tostitos because I'm gonna make nachos this week. I also made homemade salsa, which if you haven't seen that recipe, we will throw it up right there. Check that out. And I bought avocados to make guacamole. Abigail loves yogurt, so I typically put a yogurt in every lunch of hers. You have to have Oreos. My family loves Oreos, so I usually have them. Another item that I love to have in my pantry all the time is ranch dip mix. I prefer this over like a store-bought ranch. So I actually mix sour cream and mayonnaise with this packet. It's so good. Try it out. Let me know what you think. But I can also make these honey gold potatoes. You guys, I need to share that recipe with you because it's awesome. It's a super quick and easy side, which I know a lot of you guys were asking about that. So this is my grocery haul, and I don't know, comment down below. One of the things I noticed is we're still out of stock on a lot of items here in Florida. So let me know, what are some items that you guys are out of stock on? Because I'm gonna have to go to a different grocery store now and try to find those things. For us, it was fresh chicken wings, like not cooked already, and toilet paper and paper towels. Like, cannot find them. Lysol wipes. I love Lysol wipes. Can't find them anywhere. So you guys let me know, what are you low in stock on at your grocery store? Now that Isaiah helped me set this up so pretty, I've got to put all these groceries away. So we will see you next time. Thanks so much for watching. We'll talk to you later. Bye guys.